Hey everyone, this is Abhishek and I'm back with another exciting intro for you guys. So this intro is specially for Patreons, but I will be giving away this to 10 lucky users and I will let you know how you can get it. But before, if you support me on Patreon, you can download this template from there. And if you're not supporting me on Patreon, then you might consider it because you will get access to this template plus all the other templates that are only available for Patreons. So make sure to check out my Patreon page. So first let's check out this intro and after that I will tell you how you can win this template. So as you saw the intro, it is very nicely designed and you can use it on your YouTube videos. It is specially made for tech or gaming channels and you can use it pretty much for any other channel also. It is very easy to edit, all the colors can be changed and all the sound effects are also included in the intro. Now how to win this intro? It is very easy. All you have to do is just follow me on Instagram and after that you have to send me a message in which you will write why you want this template and what type of content you make on YouTube. That's it. So make sure to follow all the rules and I will pick 10 lucky winners, maybe more, and will send them the link to this template. So good luck everyone and make sure to follow all the rules. And now let's see how to edit this template. Alright, so once you download this template, you will get a zip file and you will have to extract it. So after extracting, you can open up the project file in After Effects. So once you open up the After Effects file, you will get these 3 comps. So you can just double click and open up the first comp. And over here you can see we have the text layer, so you can just double click on it and you can type whatever text you want and you can go back to the second comp, edit colors here. So over here you can change the colors for the intro and you can select the top layer which says color control and from here you can choose whatever colors you want. So you can just play around with the colors and you can choose whatever look you want to go for and you can change the colors for the text as well. And you can type whatever text you want. So there you go, there you have your intro, and if you want you can just go to the final composition and over here you can see you have your final intro. So you can just render it out and use it onto your videos and all the sound effects are included in it. So if you want to disable the sound effects, all you have to do is just go into the edit comp and just click on this icon and it will disable the sound effects. Other than that, you are pretty much ready with the intro and you can just render it out and use it onto your top of your videos. So this is how you can edit this template. So make sure to participate in the giveaway and you might get a chance to win it. So with that being said, this is Abhishek and I'll see you in the next one.